Hey guys, how you doing? It's Vivian and Sammy. Um, just out taking a ride, checking things out, and we went to our little bitty park that we normally went to. Had nice grass, and Sammy could go potty, pretty easy, and they had a bathroom. And I always looked at the river. I mean, you've seen the river 100 times. But when I got here, I was shocked because the island in the middle of the river is like almost gone. Okay? I was shocked. And I will try and find a picture in one of my older videos that I showed to do the comparison shot. But, yeah, I'll show you what's left. Okay, this is where I normally park. And the island started over here and went all the way over there. And that's what's left of the island. And I'm just a little bit sad because a lot of animals used to live on that island. Now I don't know where they all went. There was beavers, there were just all kind of little critters running around that island. And in a second I'll show you what they did to the rest of the park. Hold on. Okay, this is the little park we used to come in, and the bathroom was right there, and there was a little pavilion over here back almost underneath the railroad track, and here's the boat ramp. But all that used to be grass. That's the only grass they have left here. I'm just hoping and praying they put grass all in here. Maybe put the bathroom back. Maybe, I don't know. That is just so bare. It's everything. You couldn't even tell there was a road over here. Look you could see a car going by. Wow. At least we got the train back. Woohoo! Yeah. I'll be back with some hopefully happier things later. Hey guys, how you doing? Well, I'm okay. It's just been one thing after another today. Okay, here it goes. Remember I told you yesterday, I saw the damage that the hurricane did to I-40 in Tennessee. And that was mind-blowing, okay? I wish I could have showed you guys, but I couldn't. There's no way I could have stopped and got film on it. So today I'm driving around Newport, and I go to one spot, and they say it was one of my spots that I have shade in the daytime. In the summer, no parking, no loitering. So that was one down. Then I went to the place by the river, Yeah, yeah. I still have to find the comparison picture of the river to show you how drastic it's changed. And there's nothing there, and I don't even know if you're really allowed to park in there or not anymore. I don't know. I did anyway, but just and I thought, well, shit. I am just gonna go bear hunting. Okay, I'll go bear hunting in Sevierville. So I'm going down and I'm thinking, okay, I need to go to Gatlinburg. Actually, I need to go to Gatlinburg. So I went through the down Sevierville to I can't even think of the name. And then you go through part of the Smoky Mountain thing, and then you hit Gatlinburg. Okay, I hit that. And something struck me funny, and I made a U-turn, and I went back. My favorite restaurant, the Red Rooster, gone. Okay, I'm trying to say, okay, it's all right. I'll get through this. I'll get through it. So right after I pull out of the parking lot to Red Rooster, because I pulled in, because Sammy had to go potty. So I pulled in, and the right front tire wheel, I don't know what it is, was making a terrible noise. And I thought, what the hell is that? First I thought, well, did those dummies put brake fluid in it? But the van stops just fine, okay? Van stops, it's good to go. It's not got a squealing noise or when you push on the brake. But when I lift my foot off the brake, it makes the most god-awful noise. I can't even describe it, okay? So I thought, oh, damn it. So I opt to spend the night in Gatlinburg at one of the spots that I see bear at. So I'm thinking, I'm making the best of it. I'm gonna hunt me some bear. And then in the morning, I will limp home if I have to, or to Dave's house. And then Monday morning, the people at the Chrysler dealership, we're going to have some words. And I'm going to tell them what happened down in Crestview and about everything, and have them check it and see what the hell's the problem, okay? Now, they said they did the rotors, the, what was that thing they did? Hold on a second. Excuse my double chin. I gained 15 pounds at gained 15 pounds at TJ's house. Okay. Okay. On the front and back tires, they did a complete brake fluid service, brake fluid exchanged, flush machine, and then no, that's transmission. brake job. Front, replace pads and rotors on the front and the back, okay? And the caliper bracket was changed. Caliper bracket hardware was changed. Yeah. Now they did that on all 4 tires, okay? So there's no way in God's green earth I should be having a problem, because I haven't even driven this, you know. Well, all right, let's say I put 500 miles getting up here and stuff, okay? And that's a very generous mileage, okay? What? Why? And they were supposed to be looking over the van with a fine-tooth comb, you know, blah, 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 blah. So anyway, I need ice cream. So I'm going to drive the van around McDonald's, okay? I'm going to drive the van around McDonald's and see if I can get it to make that noise. I'm going to record this, so hang on, guys. We're going for a ride. Oh. Okay. Nothing yet. Okay, maybe I have to be going forward. I don't know why, I just said that. The back is squeaking. But it's been raining. It's been raining the last week, so some brakes squeak when they're wet. Oh, it's not doing it now. Yeah, mister, I'm checking my van, okay? Give me a break. Okay. Hi, can I have a large cup of ice cream and a large Coke with extra ice, please?
Large Coke?
Yeah, with extra ice. It's been a bad day.
Anything else?
Yeah. No, that's all.
Okay. Your total should be $5.55. Move the first window.
Okay, thank you. It's not doing it now. It's not doing it now. Except it's squeaking. I wonder if I ran over something and maybe it was catching in the wheel. Wait. Oh, God, yes. Shh, shh, shh. So I need a lot of ice cream. Yeah.
Me too. Just throw
Ice
on your face nice.
Thank you. Ooh. Praise the Lord. Let me have that ice cream. Thank you. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Well, let's. Okay, I'm sitting on the. I'm having my foot on the brake for a little while, and see if that does anything to it. No. Damn it. Well, I'm not going back to Newport right now, because I'd be going through the woods after dark. Forget that noise. Okay. I'm just going to sit here with my foot on the brake. Go around, buddy. Go around. I'm not in line. Go around. Go around. Go around. Oh, you're going way around. Okay. Guys, I can't get it to do it. I can't get it to make that awful noise. Is it possible maybe I had something caught in the tire or in the axle or whatever? Is that possible? It didn't do it. Didn't do it. So I don't know. So, well, stay tuned.